Vegetable meatballs offer a creative twist to traditional meat-based meatballs and are a fantastic way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet. They are versatile, delicious, and suitable for vegetarians and vegans. When making vegetable meatballs with couscous, select a variety of colorful vegetables such as carrots, zucchini, and eggplant. Ensure they are fresh and firm for the best texture and flavor. Opt for whole wheat couscous for added nutritional benefits. Additionally, choose aromatic spices like cumin, paprika, and garlic powder to enhance the flavor profile. 1. Start by preparing the vegetables. Finely chop carrots, zucchini, and eggplant, and sauté them in a skillet until softened. 2. Cook the couscous according to the package instructions. Fluff it with a fork and let it cool slightly. 3. In a large bowl, combine the cooked vegetables, couscous, beaten eggs, breadcrumbs, and spices. Mix until well combined. 4. Form the mixture into small meatball-sized balls using your hands. If the mixture is too dry, add a little water to bind the ingredients together. 5. Heat some olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Cook the vegetable meatballs until golden brown on all sides, turning them occasionally to ensure even cooking. 6. Alternatively, you can bake the meatballs in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius 350 F for about 20 to 25 minutes until they are cooked through and golden. Vegetable meatballs with couscous are a delicious and nutritious alternative to traditional meatballs. Packed with colorful vegetables, whole grains, and flavorful spices, they offer a satisfying meal option for vegetarians and omnivores alike. Whether pan-fried or baked, these meatballs are sure to be a hit with the whole family. Serve them with your favorite sauce or atop a bed of couscous for a complete and balanced meal.